student, please like and subscribe my channel. Draw this table and we will discuss everything. Okay, this is first this is chlorocyclohexane. When aqueous KOH will be acting on reacting with this, so SN2 reaction making takes place, inversion of configuration takes place, and we'll get cyclohexanol. This is SN2 means nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the second case, this is also 4-methyl chlorocyclohexane. In this case also, when alcoholic KOH will be there, E2 elimination will be taking place and we'll get dehydrohalogenation occur and we'll get cyclohexene. So this is 4-methyl cyclohexene. Okay, now this is 3-degree halide. When react with alcoholic KOH, so E1 elimination will be taking place, dehydrohalogenation occur, E1 elimination will be taking place. Now when this is 3-degree alcohol, only it will give you one reaction, that is H positive H2 elimination reaction takes place. 3-degree alcohol, so E1 elimination takes place. Okay, first I discuss E1 and here E2 and here SN2. Now I'll tell you about the last one, 3-degree halide. 3-degree halide, H positive and heat, so it will prefer elimination reaction, SN2 out. Okay, 3-degree halide undergo elimination reaction. Now with 3-degree halide, water, when we react with water, SN1 reaction takes place and we'll get chloro group is replaced by OH group, so we'll get 3-degree alcohol. Now in this 3-degree halide react with aqueous KOH, again here OH group is strong nucleophile, replaces Cl by and OH will be there, so we will get 3-degree alcohol. So this is SN1, this is SN1, this is SN1, and this is E1 reaction. Okay, this is E1 reaction, elimination reaction. Now we'll go for the first one. First one and second one follow the same, so only the one methyl group is there, so first one and second one is exactly same. So alcoholic KOH elimination reaction occur, always alcoholic KOH it will give elimination reaction and we'll get cyclohexene, and SN2 reaction taking place when aqueous KOH is acting on it, so we'll get here what will be there, nucleophilic substitution. Which type of? SN2. So elimination ruled out. Now H positive and heat, so here also dehydrohalogenation takes place. Okay, first means because when we are heating this, so first carbocation is obtained and then it will form this cyclohexene. Okay, hydrolysis will take place, so we will get dehydrohalogenation is better way to say. Now with water, this hydrolysis will take place and we'll get 2-degree carbocation, more stable carbocation. Okay, so SN2